It's 7 a.m., put my chapstick on. Gonna read a mag about the number 17. Bathroom time in my very own office. I do my hair, then I do my teeth, then I shave my legs. Just kidding, I'm a bird. Gotta get down to my green van. Gosh, it looks so green, it even has...
I'm gonna have a good time tonight, 'cause I'm a real big partier. I know how to get down, so let me show you how it's done now. I'm gonna have a good time tonight. Gonna stay up late in my room. Late night party. This is the only place to be. Now I'm chatting, baby, and I'm about to go crazy, 'cause I wanna make some friends and meet some fine ladies. I was born to be wild, but this is taking a while. So screw this, I'm going to go clean some time.
British accent.
When you hear this in the club, you're gonna turn the shit up.
Wait, they're not the DJ.
Oh, you can't turn the shit up.
When we up in the club, all eyes on us. All eyes on us. There's 5 of us. See the boys in the club, they watching us. They watching us, 'cause we in a gay club.